Ooh, a meat tenderizer. Oh no. Ooh. Yeah, das ist gut. Das ist gut. Let's go. Maybe I can figure out how to make that clicking noise on my mouse not be a thing. Who knows? We'll see here. Yikes. 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 Got it. Boom. An iron wakazashi. Try and say that 3 times fast. Really? What did I pick up? Oh yeah, I have way too much stuff. I don't want this or these. I don't even know why I have them. Don't want that either. Don't need that. Perfect. Let's keep going. Sometimes I can hit that guy. Nope. Dang it. Ouch. Gosh. What? He used a bone? That's funny. Okay. Wow, I got both of those back. That was nice. No. I gotta pull the rope and let him out. Wow, he's never run away before. That's different. Tally-ho! Gotcha. A meat tenderizer again. Okay. Sally forth, young squire. Alright, let's see here. I don't want these. Yes, I do. Found the repair hammer. Boo. Want ale. Because I'm gonna, you know. I like how in Fallout 4 that they have that. Oh, wow. Hi. Wow. Oh, that shaman has boobies. Oh my goodness, a machete. You had a machete. Nice. I like it how in Fallout 4 they have that thing like you can get it. Well, and I guess they have that in Fallout 3. But you can get addicted to stuff. I wish you could get addicted to stuff in this game because I'd play as an alcoholic. Oh no. Alright, so we're almost out of here. We're almost out of here. We're almost out of here. Uh-oh. No, I don't want that equipped. I'm here! I'm here. Come here, you. Boom. It's that prisoner again. Kill him. He might be working with the assassins.
No, he is not one of them.
Told you.
He can help us. He must help us.
Nerd.
As you wish, sire. Come closer. I'd prefer not to have to shout.
Fine.
They cannot understand why I trust you.
I don't know why you
They've
trust
not
me, dude.
seen what I've seen. How can I explain? Listen, you know the Nine. How they guide our fates with an invisible hand.
The Nine guide and protect us. I'm not on good terms with the gods. I don't know. I don't think about it. The Nine guide and protect
I've
us.
served the Nine all my days, and I chart my course by the cycles of the heavens. The skies are marked with numberless sparks, each a fire, and every one a sign. I know these stars well, and I wonder which sign marked your birth.
I'm a Gemini. Standard one, I get to run faster. Is that the one I normally pick? Warrior, that's always cool too. Let's try and see if we can find one that's good. Confers bonuses of 10 points to your willpower and endurance. That'd actually not be too bad, but I would be a lady. A permanent bonus of 50 points to your magicka. 10 points to that. Atronach, you don't regain magicka, but you can absorb magic. It's pretty neat. No. No, I was born under the... Let's just do the lady. The apprentice. I have a 100% weakness to magic. Heck yes. Don't judge me,
Signs
okay?
I read show the end of my path. My death, a necessary end, will come when it will come.
What about me?
Your stars are not mine.
You right.
Today the lady shall fortify you in your quest for glory.
You right. Aren't you afraid to die?
No trophies of my triumphs precede me, but I have lived well, and my ghost shall rest easy.
You have nice teeth.
Men are but flesh and blood. They know their doom, but not the hour.
You right, you right.
In this, I am blessed to see the hour of my death, to face my apportioned fate, then fall.
Can you see my fate, fam?
My dreams grant me no opinions of success. Their compass ventures not beyond the doors of death.
Oh.
But in your face I behold the sun's companion. The dawn of Akatosh's bright glory may banish the coming darkness.
Oh.
With such hope, and with the promise of your aid, my heart must be satisfied.
Then let it be satisfied, my son. Where are we going?
I go to my grave.
That's
A
morbid.
tongue shriller than all the music calls me. You shall follow me yet for a while. Then we must part.
Okay. Oh, that's right. At this point, nobody actually ever goes forward at this point until you go back and you talk to Boris.
You may as well make yourself useful. Here, carry this torch and stick close.
Okay. The
We're
blades?
the Emperor's bodyguards. Our job is to get him out of situations like this.
Got it.
Although I admit, things are not going according to plan.
Yeah, but you'll accept him.
My job is to make sure the Emperor gets out of here alive, and I intend to do it.
Oh.
Stick close. At
Gotcha.
least one job.
Okay, well then open the door.
Don't get in our way.
Why don't you stop being so mean to me, huh? I'm going as fast as I can. Leave me alone.
God's blood.
Whoa.
Don't push me,
Sorry.
prisoner.
Yike. Gotta get this, gotta get this. Gotta get back in time. My athletic skills increased. Ow. Ow. Got him. I gotta like drink some potions or whatnot because I'm like freaking dying over here. Also, I had flare. There we go.
The Emperor's in danger. Yeah.
You're in danger. Yeah, go down. What's in this chest? Go down, Moses. Way down Egypt land till old fair.
Hold up. I don't like this. Let me
Why? Go, Glen White, then take a look and stop whining like a little girl. No. Dang it.
Looks clear. Come on. We're almost through to the sewers.
How did I get up there? I was able to get up there one time, but that door says locked, so...
gate is barred from the other side.
The
A
gate.
trap.
The
What about that
sides.
side passage back?
It's barked.
Worth a try. Let's go.
Worth a try. Oh. That's me. Here I am.
It's a dead end. What's your call, sir?
I don't know. I don't see any good options here.
Hey, you just changed from essential to
Wait here
non-essential.
with the Emperor. Guard him with your
That's
life.
kind of sketchy. Don't... Hey, Glenroy, don't die out there. He's totally gonna die out there. Ah! Leave me alone.
You'll never take
You're not
me
supposed to...
down.
I can go no further.
Oh.
You alone must stand against the Prince of Destruction and his mortal servants.
I was kind of fighting
You must
someone.
not have the Amulet of Kings.
Okay.
Take the amulet, give it to Joffrey. He alone knows where to find my last son.
You have a last son?
Find him and close shut the jaws of Oblivion.
Gotcha.
Strange.
No! You just killed my favorite emperor. I'm gonna die.
The calls.
Ow. Ow. This has never happened to me before. He's never actually gone after me.
The
Yikes.
amulet of kings will be mine.
Yikes.
You thought your secrets could be hidden from the Lord? You thought the last scepter was safe from us? With this blade, I have
Wow. That was weird. He's never gone after me before. That's odd. I didn't kill him, I swear.
Talos, save us.
I didn't do it.
We failed. I failed.
Good job, bud.
The Blades are sworn to protect the Emperor. Now he and all his heirs are dead. The amulet. Where's the amulet of kings? It wasn't on the Emperor's body.
The Emperor. He gave it to me.
Strange. He saw something in you. Trusted you. They say it's the dragon blood that flows through the veins of every septim. They see more than lesser men. The amulet of kings is a sacred symbol of the Empire. Most people think of the red dragon crown, but that's just jewelry.
Yeah, I hate jewelry.
The amulet has power. Only a true heir of the blood can wear it, they say.
You're right.
He must have given it to you for a reason. Did he say why?
He said something about, you know, closing the Oblivion jaws. Oh, and something about his son and Jeffrey.
Joffrey?
Jeffrey.
He said that? Why?
Because something about Jeffrey. Oh, also, he's got a kid.
Nothing I ever heard about. But Joffrey would be the one to know. He's the Grand Master of my order.
He's Grandmaster
Although you
P.F.
may
Chang.
not think so to meet him, he lives quietly as a monk at Waynon Priory, near the city of Coral.
Choro. How do I get there, Dad?
First, you need to get out of here.
I should.
Through that door must be the entrance to the sewers, past the locked gate. That's where we were heading. It's a secret way out of the Imperial City.
You know, you're not as,
Or was
as
supposed to be
distraught
secret.
about the Emperor's death
Here,
as I thought
you'll
you'd
need
be.
this key for the last door into the sewers.
Thanks, by the way. The sewers?
There are rats and goblins down there. But from what I've seen of you, I'm guessing you're an experienced pilgrim. Am I right?
I don't know. So, he's just security block armor blunt. No, definitely not. We're definitely gonna be going for... we'll say stealth, but it's not gonna be stealth. And then we're gonna say, oh, we get to pick two, huh? Well then, you know, agility and strength. And then our 7 major ones are gonna be, you know, like security. Should I do heavy armor? Or lighter armor? Should I do... I don't even know yet. Let's go ahead and let's go around and pick our favorites. Acrobatics, athletics. I know I'm going to do blade and block, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 5. So I have 2 more left to spend. Destruction and lighter heavy armor. Heavy armor. We'll go with spell sword. Dang it. Okay, and then we'll do. We'll do that. How does that sound? Perfect, perfect. That sounds good to me. Done.
I wasn't far off.
Nah, you
In
were
any
really
case,
far
rats
off.
and goblins won't give you any trouble.
Yes, they will. But after the sewers, where do I go from there?
You must get the amulet to Joffrey. Take no chances, but proceed to Wayne Priory immediately. Got it?
Don't tell me what to do.
Good. The Emperor's trust was well placed.
I know. What about you? What will you do?
I'll stay here to guard the Emperor's body and make sure no one follows you. You'd better get moving. May Talos guide you.
No. May Talos guide you. Seance. Oh, and then a whole bunch of other things are going to start popping up because I have a whole bunch of DLC downloaded. Blah, blah, blah. Ooh. Very easy. Take all. Alright, let's go. Alright, and then you have, and then you have, you know, your standard sewer systems here. I don't care. Oh my god. Yikes. Phew, that was crazy. Oh, I can pick up a little bit more. I like it. Oh my goodness, I have a lot installed. Okay. No. Oh boy. Let's see here. Ooh, I did heavy armor, so I'll probably wear that now. What did he have? What is that? Oh, an iron Tanjo. Whoa, he didn't take this katana away from me. Normally he takes the Akiviri katana away from you. That's weird. That's really weird. That's the first time that's that's the first time that's ever happened. Well then, heck, I'm gonna be keeping that. You kidding me? Unless I find one that's obviously better. There's stuff over there, but I know I can't carry it. It's nothing important. Ugh. Ooh, I get to show you guys my favorite rat in the whole game. He's my favorite rat only because, there he is. There he is. Because he's friendly. Hello. I've never named him, though. Well, I've named him before, but I haven't named him in this series yet. So, what's your name gonna be, little sewer rat? I think I have a name. So we're gonna click on him over here, and we're gonna do set actor full name. And then we're gonna put in here, your name's gonna be Tim. Tim's. There he is. Dead butt B. Right there, Tim's. You're looking fresh. Fresh pair of Tim's. Alright. Let's go. Gonna get to the end here. And then the iconic thing's gonna pop up for most Bethesda games. Boom! You get to edit all of these different things. I'm not going to, but I'm gonna finish and I'm gonna save. And then we're gonna get out to the luscious, beautiful world that is Oblivion and Cyrodil. Oh wow. Let me, before finishing, go into the options real quick. Video. Put all these back up, cause dang. On. Jeez. Return. Return. Now it's gonna load everything. Boom! How beautiful is that? So pretty. Alright. Alright, everybody. Well, I think that's gonna end it for now for this one. We got through the opening sequence, the opening tutorial, being in the cave and everything. We have some pretty nice equipment here and all. So I think we'll end it here for now. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like and a comment maybe if you want. Subscribe please to my channel, or dislike. It'll let me know what you guys want and want to see and whatnot. You know, there's a few things in here I might have to edit out, but I think you guys will. If you guys like it, like I said, leave a like, comment, do whatever you want. You know, if you guys have any jokes you want to share, leave those in the comments, and I'll read those too. You know, but like I said, you guys have a good rest of the day, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Way.